Can money buy love? Money cannot buy love. Hello my beautiful people, you are welcome to my channel. It's your girl Precious. How you guys doing? I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to be talking about this video that is trending on social media. We are going to be talking about it, and before we go into the video, I will be asking for a favor. Please, I'm begging on my knees, support me, support your girl by hitting the subscribe button below. Then you will see a bell. Touch that bell. That bell stands for a notification bell. Anytime I have a new video, you will be notified. Thank you for as many that subscribe. May God bless you all. Okay, let's go into this video. This video is talking about this our Edo popular man called Destiny Ibagwa. I'm not going to be talking to him, but the video that is going out everywhere on social media concerning him, I'm not judging him, I'm not supporting him, I'm not condemning him. I'm just going to be bringing out some points inside those videos they are doing, and I will be using it to advise my ladies that is always a victim of these people, these men. Don't cross a man that you have feeling for. You just not, that is unknown to you, you just start loving the person. You decide to talk to him, to let him know you love him. You want to know more about him, if he's free to have a relationship. He might say yes or no. If you say yes, that's what you really want, you go for it. There are several videos that is coming out in different women claiming that this Destiny Ibagwa have, how will I say, is he dupe their money or scam them by maybe they are attracted to him, they like giving him money, things like that. I don't know if you have watched it. Maybe some of you have watched the video. It's not one, it's not two, they are different videos. But for me today, I'm not going to be showing you the video because I don't want to hurt anybody or condemn anybody. I'm going to be talking about this video in my own opinion. It's not wrong for a woman to fall in love with a man. In this Western world, it's just normal thing. It's African people that always say, wait for a man to come and say, I love you, or I want you, or I want you to be my girlfriend or be my wife, things like that. But in Western world, they don't wait for man to come and meet them. If they like that man, the next thing they will do, they will walk towards him and just ask him, can we have a drink together? If that man is free, he will say okay. If he is not, he can say no, I'm sorry, I am a married man, things like that. Everything just go that way. It's not wrong for a woman to find a man attractive and he decides to go for the man. Two, when you go for the man and the man agree to say okay, I'm free, let's continue the relationship, you are the one that will be careful, because you are the one that asked for the relationship. It's not him that work to meet you. You are the one that work towards him, to just to confess your love to him. You will be careful, because he can hurt you at any time. He can hurt you at any day without watching, without having the feeling that you will be hurt or what is going to happen to you. And when it comes to that way, you need to think twice. Immediately you see different in that relationship, before he will get to your whatever, get up decide what to do. Is it to continue the relationship or not? If you are still having that feeling towards him, you need to work on your feeling, because when he see that you are the one that is attracted to him, he will be using that to how will I say it? He will be using it to oppress you. He will be using it to make you feel hurt, because he sees that you love him. You can't do without him. He can do or do just to cause you emotional pain. And second thing I will be asking, if you are into that kind of relationship, or any man have hurt you, for you to start keeping it for yourself, say it out. Let anyone know. If you don't want person to know who is talking, you can keep your identity and speak to someone. If it's by phone, like this social media of a thing, let them know what this guy is doing what this guy is doing is wrong. You will see right now many people are coming out. This is how he flood me money, this is how he do this. But if one of you was bold enough to say this issue ever since, I don't think this guy would have upper hand, causing a lot of women pains. You decide to keep this within yourself, it's not helping you. But when you decide to speak out, it will help someone else. It will help one person. It will save that person not to fall a victim again. That is for that. Right now, you can see a lot of them say he have collected my money. He asked me this, I give him this. As a married woman, a man that you have married to, a man that you have children for, a man that both of you have future together, you can give him your money. You people are planning for the better of your family. If you people have a house today, it's for the children. If you have property, it's for the children. If you have money in the bank together, it's for the children. That is your husband. That is both of you have married. You have that future together as one person, as husband and wife. You can give him money. It's right. You can give your husband money to do something together, not him using it outside. You know that that person that you are giving your money to is your husband. It's not a boy that maybe people find yourself in social media of a thing. He will just start calling you day and night. Please, I need this money from you. Please, I need this thing from you. I need money to do this. I need money to do that. Within yourself, you feel, this guy, I love him. I don't want to hurt him. If I do not give you this money, he will go. It's like you are buying that man. Can money buy love? Money cannot buy love. If that love is not there, no matter how much you will give to him, he will collect the money from you. But what he's going to do is in his heart. You are just killing yourself. And if you are giving him money, if he said it's borrow, how will I say it? I don't know how to explain it to you. You are going out with a boy. He's asking you money. Always, please, I need this money. My mother is sick, or my father is sick, or my container is in the wharf. You start giving. It's not because that man is asking you. It's because you don't want him to go. That is just the truth of it. You cannot buy love. If love is not there, no matter how much you will spend in that love, it will not stand. I'm telling you this. It's not that I'm condemning women that is giving money to men. But if you are giving money to man or whatever, it's not a boyfriend. Boyfriend, you will be giving him thousands of euros. Tomorrow he can turn against you and say you used it to bribe him for him to be having an affair with you. You don't have anything to say. I wish you cannot even, you don't have, where are you going to tell? Where are you taking him to? Is it a court? Is there any receipt on it? What are you going to say? You will go outside the court to work out. Then you cannot use the money to realize good things. You cannot use it to do something for yourself, not even for the children. You will be giving that to a boy that don't have any feeling for you, a boy that don't love you, a boy that that does not regard you. You are just using your money to buy him so that he will be with you, so that he will stay with you. To the extent he will be using his wife to play you as a sister. I don't know how to say this, because this video is going on now. Everybody is accusing the poor boy, calling him sort of name. As for me, I don't blame him. I did not blame him. You are the lady or the girl that is giving his entire money, so money that you suffered for, giving to a boy. I just pity that kind of woman. You cannot blame that boy. No, everybody says the boy is a scamming, the boy is this, is that. No, no. You are the one that was blind with love. You are the one that cannot see what other people are seeing then. Now people are start crying, calling him names. I don't blame him in any way at all. As for me, I don't blame him. How long can you buy love? How long can you use your money to keep a man so that he will be with you? Okay, let me say you use your money to cover or to make him stay with you for maybe you can keep it to marry you. After marriage, what will happen? Will that love still be there? Will him not cause you more pains? There's a woman that told me about her story. A man that you find, I believe is internet or thing like that. And getting to him, the boy did not have paper, don't have document. Is she the one that is going to fight everything because she already have the paper of the country? She decided to help this guy, bring him into his home. Before you know it, they went to do their court marriage there, just a little for him to get paper. After everything, before that marriage, he don't want that boy to go, and that boy himself know what he's looking for. Why is he still in that relationship? Because he needs something from that woman. After everything, he have collected his paper. You know what happened? Before the man let the woman know that he's older than him, that he cannot present this woman to the public. But before then, he can say it's my man, it's my woman, it's my wife, it's my this. But today, he has gotten what he wants from that relationship. What he want there was just that paper for him to stay. That is why he covers his face like this to stay with that woman. But today that woman is emotionally in pain. He cannot just start saying what he has done for that boy. He has spent a lot for him. Nothing is working out after all. There are a lot of people, a lot of women that have this experience, different experience for these men. My advice for you today is that you cannot buy love. You cannot buy a man. If man don't love you, let him go. If what that man is doing to you is too much, do not start using money to bribe him. Say it out, save a soul. One or two person out there will see your video, will hear your voice. They will have their awareness. They will know what to see. Anytime they come across those kind of things, they know how to handle it. Don't keep those kind of heavy emotional things within yourself. Look at that lady that pastor raped. The case is closed. Why? The judge said that she did speak up. She did say it out for people to hear that time. That was years ago. It's not now you are coming to say it. If you have passed any emotional pain or someone have caused you emotional pain, just say it out. Look for someone that you trust, or someone that you can open up to. Let you know what happened. You will see this world we have will be a better place. There will not be too much victim of different circumstances than the way we are seeing it right now. Concerning this Bagua issue, Destiny Bagua, there are a lot of women crying out right now, saying the boy have duped them. It's not by duping. It's just that the boy ask them money. They give him the money because they want his attention. They don't want him to go. He will say, I will pay you back, but he will not pay. He will collect the money. When you ask the money, maybe you are too serious about that money, then the guy will change the history and start saying, you want me to sleep with you, I don't want. That is why you were giving me money, that is why you were buying me. Maybe the other way is not like that. He just ask you to borrow him the money, but he don't want to pay. Maybe within you were doing it. I don't want you to go. If he asks you, even though you have not paid the one you borrowed before, because you want him to be with you, you want to be seeing him, why are you doing that? You cannot buy love. Love is not for sale. You cannot. My own view about this story of Destiny Ebagwa is that they want him. They want to be pleasing him so that he will stay with them. That is why they are giving him money. Even though he did not pay, but I just want you to be with me. But at the end, it's no longer one, it's not two, it's not three women that have now become his victim. Anyone that hurts with any emotional thing, please do not keep it to yourself. Speak it out so that it will give other people, it will also give them the way to handle it if they come across those kind of things. This is my little video of today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.